children, good morning. How are you? All of you had your breakfast, drank milk. You're all very good children. All of you are following the classes regularly. Very good. So follow the classes regularly. Do practice every day numbers, number names and whatever syllabus is finished, you should practice every day. And send the homeworks in time. Shall we start our today's class? Before starting the class, we'll update the calendar. Look at the board. What is today's date? 12, 10, 20. What is the 10th month? October. What is the 10th month? October. So today date is 12th October. If today is 12, what will be tomorrow? 13. What will be tomorrow? 13. What was yesterday? 12 before? 11. Yesterday was 11th October. Today is 12th October and tomorrow will be 13th October. What day is today? Monday. What day is today? Monday. If today is Monday, what will be tomorrow? Tuesday. What was yesterday? Sunday. Yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday and tomorrow will be Tuesday. Let's revise days of the week and months of the year. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Sunday, Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Months of the year. There are 12 months in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. January, February, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, all of you are fluent with the phonics. A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, G, G, H, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, Q, R, S, T, U, R, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, shall we start the class? In the previous class we learned about position words. In, on. In ante lopala. Okay, on ante paina. Now we learn about under. Under, U-N-D-E-R, under, R silent, okay, under ankodu, under ante kinda ananna, okay. Now see the textbook. Course book, page number 12. A boy under a tree. So this boy is standing under a tree. Chettu kinda ninchunnadu. A boy under a tree. A cat under a lamp. Lamp kinda cat undi. A cat under a lamp. Under. A ball under a box. Box kinda undi. A ball under a box. A rat under an umbrella. A rat under an umbrella. Umbrella kinda undi rat. See. Duster under a book. A duster under a book. Chalk piece under the duster. A chalk piece under the duster. So, in ante lopala, on ante paina, under ante krinda. Okay. In lopala, on paina, under krinda. Now, we'll do the activity in the book. Okay. Open activity book, పేజ్ నెంబర్ 10. యూ షుడ్ రైట్ హియర్. ఓకే, ఈ పొజిషన్ చూసుకొని మనం క్లియర్గా రాయాలి. పేజ్ నెంబర్ 10 యాక్టివిటీ బుక్. First one. See the first picture carefully. What is the picture here? Lamp. Where is the cat? In, on, under. So you should write, where is the cat? The cat is under the lamp. Right? Capital T, first one. T, capital T, H, E. Write neatly in 4 lines. T, H, E, the finger gap. C, A, T, cat. C, A, T, cat. The cat, finger gap. I, S, is. The cat is, finger gap. U, N, D, R, under. U, N, D, R, under, finger gap. T, H, E, the finger gap. Lamp. What is the picture? Lamp. L-A-M-P, lamp. Only the first letter should be capital letter. All the remaining letters should be small letters. First letter ఒకటే capital letter రాయాలి. మిగిలిన అన్ని letters small letters ఉండాలి. Each and every word you should give finger gap. ప్రతి word కి finger gap పెట్టి gap ఇచ్చి రాయాలి. Handwriting should be very neat. Write in 4 lines neatly. The cat is under the lamp. The cat is under the lamp. See the next one. What is here? Pot. Where is the fish? The fish is in the pot. లోపల ఉంది కదా, పైన కాదు. The fish is in the pot. Where is the fish? He is asking, where is the fish? So T-H is the finger gap. F-I-S-H, fish, finger gap. I-S is, finger gap. I-N, in, finger gap. T-H is the finger gap. P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, pot. The fish is in the pot. The fish is in the pot. The fish is in the pot. Next one. Where is the rat? Where is the rat? Where is the rat? What is this one? Umbrella. The rat is under the umbrella. Right. T-H is the finger gap. R-A-T, rat. I-S is, U-N-D-R, under. T-H is the umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. L-L-A. The cat is under the umbrella. The cat is under the umbrella. Where is the ball? Where is the ball? The ball is in the box. The ball is in the box. T-H is the finger gap. B-A-L-L, ball, finger gap. I-S is, finger gap. I-N in, finger gap. T-H is the finger gap. B-O-X, box. The ball is in the box. Where is the ball? The ball is in the box. Next. Where is the apple? Where is the apple? Where is the apple? Look at the picture. The apple is on the book. The apple is on the book. T-H-E, the finger gap. A-P-P-L-E, apple. I-S is O-N, on. T-H-E, the B-O-O-K, book. B-O-O-K, book. Write neatly. Once again I will read it for you. Where is the cat? The cat is under the lamp. Where is the fish? The fish is in the pot. Where is the rat? The rat is under the umbrella. Where is the ball? The ball is in the box. Where is the apple? The apple is on the book. Look here, write neatly. So starting letter should be capital letter and all the remaining letters should be small letters. At the end you should keep full stop. For each and every word you should give finger gap. Write neatly in 4 lines. Okay, shall I erase it? Next. Open the next page. We'll do the next page. Next page, page number 11. Complete the sentences with in, on, under, inside, outside. What is the first picture? Where is the dog? The dog is dash the kennel. The dog is inside the kennel. Right. I-N-S-I-D-E, inside. The dog is inside the kennel. Where is the ball? See, the ball is under the table. Under the table. U-N-D-E-R, under. Where is the fish? The fish is in the water. The fish is in the water. Where is the cat? Where is the cat? The cat is on the table. On the table. The cat is on the table. Where is the car? The car is on the road. The car is on the road. Once again I am reading for you. Where is the dog? The dog is inside the kennel. The dog is inside the kennel. Where is the ball? The ball is under the table. The ball is under the table. Where is the fish? The fish is in the water. The fish is in the water. Where is the car? The cat. Sorry, where is the cat? The cat is on the table. The cat is on the table. Where is the car? The car is on the road. Okay, complete this page. So today's HW complete practice book. HW practice book. Page number 9, 10 and 11. 9, 10 and 11. 9C. A cup on a saucer. So you should write these 2 lines. 2 times each one. A boy on a stool. A boy under a tree. A ball under a box. Now answer the following questions using in, on, under. He gave the question and he gave the answer also. Question ఇచ్చేసాడు, answer కూడా ఇచ్చాడు. అది చూసి నీట్గా మీరు 4 లైన్స్లో రాయాలి. Where is the spoon? The spoon is in the cup. Where is the ball? The ball is in the box. Where is the cup? The cup is on the saucer. Where is the book? The book is on the apple. ఇక్కడ మిస్టేక్ ఇచ్చాడమ్మా, అండర్ కాదు. Sorry, correct. Where is the book? ఇక్కడ book book ekkadundi anante. The book is under the apple. Correct. The book is under the apple. Where is the boy? The boy is under the tree. Where is the cat? The cat is under the lamp. Where is the fish? The fish is in the pot. Where is the boy? The boy is on the stool. So while writing the verb, we should read and write. Simple ga raseyaddu ala silent ga. Spellings chaduvutu, sentence poortiga chaduvutu rayali. Okay, read and write. Okay children, bye. That's all for today. See you tomorrow. Bye.